Here's how to actually make money as a teenager. Maybe your parents are tired of buying you things, or maybe want to start saving for your future. Everybody wants money, and truthfully, everybody needs money. Money not only will let you buy whatever you want, but also will increase your social status. But before you can make $1 billion, you have to start with the first one. Making money is not hard at all. It's actually very easy when you know how to. The first and easiest way to make money is to get a job. Nobody likes hearing this, but the reality is eventually you will need a job to pay for your bills and purchases. Not only does a job earn you money, but actually gives you real life experience. Look for any job that hires people with no experience. You may be surprised, but a ton of companies are looking for young people, with everything from amusement parks to fast food chains to arcades looking to hire you. These jobs are not hard at all. In fact, they're specifically made to be easy to learn. The only hard part is showing up to work. Luckily, no company expects a teenager to work 40 hours a week, so you only have to work part-time. This means for nearly the entire week, you can sit at home playing video games. You only have to show up to work a few hours once or twice a week. So maybe you don't want a job and are looking for other ways to earn money. The next best thing is to make money online. But how exactly do you do this? You probably heard the old dropshipping spiel, but that is not the easiest way to make money online. The fastest and easiest way to make money online is to sell used items on eBay. You might not realize it, but you have a ton of junk lying around your house that is worth a ton of money. For example, I found this old movie disc that was worth over $150 just sitting in a cabinet collecting dust. Not only can you sell your own old belongings, but you probably have parents sitting on treasure they don't use. Simply ask your mom or dad, hey, is there anything you don't use anymore that I can sell online? You can even ask your siblings, grandparents, and pretty much everyone in the family the same question. Once you gather all the junk no one uses, eBay makes it very easy to see what it's worth. All you have to do is download the eBay app and use the camera search feature. Just take a photo of the item and eBay will search all listings that have similar photos. This will help you find the exact price of the item. Sell anything you can. $5 might not seem like a lot, but if you have 20 things worth $5, that is $100 right there. The next best way to earn money online is by making YouTube videos. You can make videos about literally anything. Once you gain enough subscribers and watch time, YouTube will pay you money. You can make tutorials, record video games, or even talk about your life. Eventually, after you post for a bit, you will gain subscribers and fans that enjoy watching your videos. Not only that, but you will also start earning money. When you do start making money, you will want to save money on all of your purchases. That's why I recommend using Capital One Shopping. You will get $40 when you install the extension in the link below on your internet browser and make your first purchase. So far, I've saved nearly $200 by just using cashback on my purchases. All it takes is 2 clicks to download and you can start saving money instantly. Back into making money, a great way to make money is by reselling products. All you have to do is go to local thrift stores, Goodwills, antique shops, etc. and use the eBay image search feature to see if things are undervalued. Once you find an item you can make money on, you can sell that item on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Let's say you are shopping at a local antique shop and you find an old video game that is priced at $15. But when you search the value on eBay, it comes back as $60. That means you just secured yourself $45 in profit. You might be surprised, but a lot of stores underprice their items, and there is a lot of profit to be made for resellers. Alright, my final best way to make money is to use the TikTok affiliate program. You can make money by posting videos about products, and when people buy those products from your videos, you will earn money for each one. Not only that, but you will also get free samples for products you want to try. All you need is 1,000 TikTok followers, and you can start using the creator affiliate program. 1,000 followers might seem like a lot, but TikTok is the easiest social media app to gain a following on. All it takes is one video to go viral, and you can literally make thousands of dollars. Thanks for watching until the end of this video, and for more money making and investing advice, subscribe.